I wish you a very happy new year. Hello friends, I am Swarali and I welcome you to Swarala's Corner. Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate cake at home with the help of your mother. So let's quickly see it. Let's get started. First you need to take 1 packet of bourbon biscuit. Now take the mixer grinder and break the biscuits into 2 pieces and put it in the grinder. Before starting to make our cake, take a cake tin and butter. Grease the cake tin with the butter. And also dust it with maida. Now take the oven and preheat the oven at 180 degree with only bottom rod for 15 minutes. Now let's come back to our grinder. Take some sugar and add 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of sugar to the biscuits. And grind them together. We have got our powder biscuits. And now take the mixing bowl and take out the powder biscuit in that biscuit bowl. Now take some milk. Add the milk gradually little by little. I can't give you the exact quantity of the milk as the quantity of the milk depends on the quantity of the biscuit powders. Keep adding little by little milk till you find that it's a thick paste. Keep stirring continuously little by adding milk. Now we have got our smooth paste. So now we can stop adding the milk. I'm adding the last and mixing it. Now take some baking powder and add 1 teaspoon to our mixture. Add 2 teaspoons of milk over the baking powder and mix very continuously in only one direction. You will see bubbles coming in our mixture. The baking powder helps the cake to become fluffy and rise. Now you can take vanilla or chocolate essence 1/4 teaspoon, add to the mixture and mix. Now add the mixture to the cake tin. After pouring, tap the bowl twice. Now let's take our preheated oven after 15 minutes and bake the cake at 180 degree with lower rod for 30 minutes. Already taken out the cake and cooled it. Now let's take out the cake in the plate. I have also made 2 pieces of the cake. Now add sugar and water to make the sugar water and apply it over the cake. This makes our cake soft and juicy. I have now applied the sugar water properly. Now I will take the chocolate syrup or ganache and apply it to the first layer. I have applied it and now I am going to place the second layer and do the same. Then what? Our delicious chocolate cake is ready. It's Happy New Year, so I'm going to place the Happy New Year 2021 tag on our cake. It looks so delicious, right? So do make this cake at home with the help of your mom. And like, share and subscribe.